Right, the first step that we have to take in order to use ChatGPT API is to come to platform.openai.com. Okay, I will put the link inside the resources. Okay, you will face a page like this. Then come to the menu on the right side and you can click on manage account, okay, or view API keys. Okay, when you get to this page, first of all, let me quick introduction of what we have here. The first step is to create an API key under API keys tab. Okay, so click on create new secret key. You can select name for it. For example, I'm gonna name it AI course V1. Okay, create the secret key. Then it will generate a secret key. And I have a chance to copy this secret key right now. If I click on done, I cannot view this again, as it is mentioned here. You won't be able to view this secret key again. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code, and later on the next lesson, we will use it for our project. Okay, and as you can see, the AI course V1 secret key was created, and last use was never. And when you use this API on your projects, okay, based on the usage that you have, it will calculate the usage. Now my account has some problems and it's not showing it, okay? And based on the communication between your app and ChatGPT, it will calculate the cost and you have to pay it like that, okay? And you can put some threshold not to pass some specific amount and etc. Okay, so here are rates and limits. So if we come here, these are different versions of ChatGPT API that you can use. For example, here it is GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, and this is the speed of it, and this is a number of tokens that you can use, and the cost of using each of them is different. Okay, you can see there are many different types of APIs here, and each of them is good for a specific purpose. Okay, so as we go forward, we'll learn more about them, and I will introduce different types of them. But in general, I wanted you to understand how it works, and remember, in order to use it, you have to come to the billing tab and set your billings. Okay, so for this lesson, all we need to do is to come to API keys and create a secret key for ourselves. Then we will jump into ChatGPT and learn more how we can create, for example, a small app and connect it to ChatGPT using its API. Okay, so that was all for this lesson. You can pause the video, go to this website, platform.openai.com, from the resources of this lesson, create a secret key for yourself, and you can keep the page open. So when we go to VS Code and want to create our app, we will use that secret key. Okay, so that was all about this lesson. I will see you in the next part.